Hi guys, my second bike related winter project is this bike on the picture. The other project is almost finished. So what to know from this bike? My wife bought this bike 7 years ago in a hardware store. It was so cheap she couldn't leave it there. The last 7 years the bike wouldn't move it much, only 20 kilometers. It was stored in our garage. This is a Chinese bike. I don't think that all Chinese bikes are crap, but this one is a real beast from the East, in a bad way. You may ask, then why do I want to restore it? First, I need a commuter bike for the summer. And this is a really comfortable bike to ride. Second, it has a beefy steel frame. And third, it looks cheap, so hopefully no one wants to steal it. So the main goal of the restoration is to build an extremely comfortable, reliable city commuter bike. Luckily, I have our guest room upstairs for my winter project. Please notice that I am not a bike mechanic. I am only want to build my bike with my bare hands. Probably I will do mistakes. So 1, 2, 3 disassembly. This rear derailleur looks bent. It looks we found the shifting issue. This brake snapped 2 pieces during the disassembly.
Whoa.
But anyway, who needs brake at all? Yeah, my little brother used to say, the best screw locking agent is rust. Only the frame left. The upcoming video will show the assembly. I try to keep the costs low, so if I have the opportunity, I use used parts from another project or search winter sales, Black Friday deals. I have time. The beast from the east will become a phoenix? Who knows? So follow here this bike build project. And thank you for watching.